If anybody remembers the last mini-meet where Thomas came up here, he donated this NV585 Shark liftaway to the lab because the motor didn't work. So the power nozzle motor apparently works, but the main suction motor doesn't work. So he got a replacement one, and on video they made him actually cut the cord before they would go ahead and replace this under warranty, and they did. So I have reattached the cord. So let's see if we can duplicate his issues. All right, we seem to have power. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I just push the power button and I have lights. That's nice. And let me flip some switches up top here. So that's on hard floor, and we just have lights. The brush roll doesn't spin. And then when I go to carpet, the brush roll spins just fine. So we have, it's kind of weird to see the LED lights on, but no main suction motor. We definitely have some type of a problem here with the main suction motor, and that's different. I can't say I've ever seen that before. So how about we dig into this and find out what the issue is. So all I did was pop the cover off, take this exhaust HEPA filter out, and all these nifty little particles started falling right out without me doing much of anything. And those particles, to me, look like the remnants of a carbon brush, or maybe both carbon brushes. exploding carbon brushes. All right, let's see how well this comes out. Too close? There you go. Exploded carbon brushes. On the right is the blown Shark lift-away motor, and on the left is a motor with all its pieces that was donated to the lab quite some time ago. Thank you very much for that donation, because it looks like it might come in handy. I wonder if I can get this motor on the left to fit in the space where that motor on the right was. Some progress has been made, a day or so later, depending on how much time I actually have to spend on this shark. And anyway, the cord basically has been properly and carefully reinstalled, although now it's probably about 9 inches shorter. So soldering iron, little heat shrink tubing, and a lot of grunting and groaning, I suppose, to get everything put back exactly right. And this is all ready to go. What I need to work on next is getting this replacement motor in there. And that's probably going to also be so fiddly that I'll just have to do a lot of this off camera. All right, let's test the motor. It's going to be a little goofy and probably a little loud. I'd say that's a pass. The Shark Powered Lift-Away Deluxe lives again. Kind of a pain going through everything and cleaning everything up. Had to essentially rebuild the power nozzle, clean this all out, and of course, you know, the motor and all that mess in there with the carbon dust, but here we are. lot of suction to the carpet. Much easier to push. We're about halfway now. Yeah, I know I wasn't able to record everything that I wanted to record, but it was just too difficult to actually get everything. But geez, it's even picking up. That is, it's picking up clean carpet. Pretty harsh brush roll. But this shark now works again. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.